my channel. So this is gonna be a quick small unboxing. I was just scrolling through websites and I bumped into Sucky Crafts. They had some really inexpensive 2-inch succulents. They were like $1 something. So I decided to get some, and I'm doing this inside the house because it's really hot outside. So you're gonna have to excuse me. Okay, so I put this in there to keep it protected. Okay, so I'm assuming that they don't come, it doesn't come in containers, obviously. And there you go, see, $1.89, $1.49. So that was pretty cheap. And then shipping, and then I had a discount code. Get a thank you card. Here's 10% off your order. So cute. I really like their tape too. So cute. Where is it? And there's more. Hold on. Where is it? So cute. Okay. I'm gonna have to put this down for a minute while I open things. They're really small. They seem even smaller because they're not in their typical containers. There we go. They tend to run out pretty quickly out of the 2-inch ones, I guess, because they're really inexpensive. So people buy them up pretty quickly. Let's see if I remember the names just by looking at. Okay, so I'm gonna say this is the Moon Glow. This is the Moon Glow. This is, I know that this is, it's a rare violet. Here, and then, I don't remember. I guess I'm gonna say this is Echeveria Runyani. So, I don't know. But that's it. That's it. This is what I got in the mail. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you are notified every time I post. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.